Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I just want to do a quick review on some grout that I picked up from Home Depot. Brand is called Prism. I found it really easy to work with. The dry times were very forgiving for someone that doesn't tile for a living. So I highly recommend it. You just have to be really patient with the cleanup time. You do have to definitely let the grout dry so that when you're cleaning it, you're not picking it up with the sponge out of the groove. So that was a learning curve for me. But I was able to add a little more and work with it because it didn't dry so fast. It enabled me to actually to work with it really well. So thumbs up for Prism. I've heard some horror stories of other grout for do-it-yourself type people. So I highly recommend this if you're not a professional. The Prism worked very well. I really like the end result. The color charcoal actually matches perfectly to the slate tiles and the stones. I think it just looks great. It highlights it. I'm not a big fan of the light colored grout. So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. The Princess Blaze King has been unbelievable. This is a totally uninsulated house, and it's -1 out right now. It is 20 degrees in here. I stoked this up this morning. It is now, I think, 4 o'clock. I haven't touched this stove, and it is killing it. It's still full of wood and way in the active zone. Very happy with this stove. I've got another stove and another building on my property, and every hour and a half I'm throwing a log on. So super impressed that I can go the entire day and just let this do its work. So if you're in the market for a great catalytic stove, I highly recommend the Blaze King. I knew it was going to be good, but I didn't know how great it was. I can't believe the amount of wood that I'm going to be able to save and all the time and effort that it takes to obviously create firewood. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for being a part of this video, checking it out. I highly recommend Prism. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video when I do the rock wall all the way up. Thanks, guys. All the best.